In today's video, I'm going to show you the process of how to pin a message on Messenger. This is going to be a short tutorial video, so let's get straight into it. Open up your Messenger and head over to the message that you want to pin. You can pin all of the messages such as text messages, emojis, GIFs, and even stickers. The pin option on Messenger is to mention everyone on the group. You can simply left slide the message that you want to pin and here type @everyone and then hit send. After you do that, everyone in the group will get a notification and they will see that they have been tagged in a message. So that's the only way that you can pin a message in Messenger right now. You can also do the same for text messages. And this particular message will be notified